Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cra'Deja. If you've never been here before, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I pluck this wig. This wig is from unitshair.com. I decided to use a colored wig because oftentimes it can be a lot harder to pluck rather than hair that's like not processed or anything. So the video is going to be pretty much self-explanatory. Like, it's nothing hard. It comes with practice. But the first thing that I do is I do spray down the hairline and I slick it with some water. I always go ahead and part it in the middle because I hate for it to be like ball in the middle where you're going to do your part. So always pluck it down the middle. And honestly, once you got this down, like, there is no going back pretty much. So I always never start at the hairline. I always take out a little bit of the hairline in the front, and then I start making my way backwards. I used to start backwards and then made my way forward, but that would take so long, and yeah, we don't need that. So just take out what you want to take out for your baby hairs, how thick you want your baby hairs or whatnot. But just be careful and always take the hair that you've taken out and flip it back to see what you are creating. So now that you got that all ready and you know you're taking out that first part of the hairline, you're going to twist that hair up so that it won't get in the way of you plucking. Y'all, I love this music. Like, okay. Of course, you want to make sure that the hair is fully saturated with water. I find it so much easier to pluck with a wet hairline rather than it being dry. You get to see more what you're doing, and the hair just pulls better, in my opinion. So honestly, what I've learned, the easiest way to pluck is to just pull the hair straight back. I used to pull it at an angle, thinking that that would give me a better blend, but honestly, I've learned that this method works the best. When you are plucking, you want to open and close your tweezers like shown on this clip here. Like, you're not just pulling or just opening and closing at any point. You want to close your tweezers at the forefront of the hairline. I don't pull directly at the front of the hairline because you don't want to create too much space in between like the baby hairs and where the hairline starts. So just be really careful to pull backwards, if that makes any sense. You guys will start seeing the hairline fading out as I'm plucking right here. And you kind of got to have an eye for what you're going for, because oftentimes you can pluck too much and then sometimes you can pluck not enough. So use a picture for reference. Use this video for reference. Like, pluck along with me or something. But eventually you'll get it once you know what you're looking for. I don't know what I was talking about, but I'm telling y'all, just don't start from the very front of the hairline. And you're just going to do this across the entire first half of the frontal or wig or closure or whatever. So this is how that side looked once I was finished. And then you're going to continue to do the same thing on the other side. The exact same steps. Take out the hairline, spray some water down, and get to plucking. This wig was pre-plucked, so it was a lot easier than a wig that is a lot more dense. However, the same rules apply. It may just take you a little bit longer. And as you can see, I am going backwards on the hairline. Be careful not to pluck too much. Oftentimes, like, I love a very scalpish look. Oftentimes on my mannequin it can look like it's over plucked, but once I install it, it's perfect. So to each their own. You know, some people don't like a lot of plucking, some people love a lot of plucking, but you just have to identify what you're going for and how you want it to look. You just have to look at the hairline and pretty much visualize how you want it. Like, you have to have an idea in mind, whether it be something you picture in your head or something you've seen online for inspo, but you have to picture that. Again, the same rules apply. Keep going backwards and move your way over to the other side of the frontal. Oh, and make sure that you're always smoothing the hair back. Like, as you're plucking, hold the hair so that you can see exactly what you're creating once you slick it down. Because I'm pretty sure, you know, you plan on slicking your hair back or whatever. So just make sure that you are holding the hair taut so that it mimics what you're going to get once you actually, you know, style the hair or put the wax on it or however you slick your hair down. And it's just so cool to see this hairline fade out. I don't know what I was talking about here. I think I just wanted to do, I don't know. But yeah, y'all get the point of this. Oh yeah, I was just saying pretty much keep it taut. Yeah. And just watch this little side fade out here. Y'all got this. I'm telling y'all got this. Just be careful. Don't overpluck. Keep practicing. Buy little cheap closures and stuff from the hair store to practice on, or Amazon or something, and eventually you'll get it. Also, I'll be doing more in-depth tutorials that you guys will be able to purchase on my website, and doing one-on-one classes and just more stuff in the future, so look forward to that. And this is pretty much getting close to the end of the video. And there you pretty much have it. You have your nice plucked faded hairline or whatever. Yep, looking all good. So yeah, I hope you guys pretty much enjoyed this video. I just wanted to show you guys how it looks once it's all pinned up and everything, and you know, give you a close-up visuals and stuff. So don't forget to follow me at Hair by Cra'Deja on Instagram. See you all later. Bye.